So we are going to look at weighted average in the coordinated plane. Very much similar to weighted average on a number line. It's just we have to do both the x values and the y values. So I'm going to just kind of say what we want to think about is, let's say I tell you that A has a weight of 2 times B, okay? And C has a weight of 5 times B, right? So that means when I go to the value of A, B, and C, I can kind of figure out what the weight I should apply is. And so if I say that A has a weight of 2 times B, that this location here is going to be 2x, right, or 2 times. And then C has a weight of 5 times B, so this would be 5 times. So if this is 2 times B and this is 5 times B, B is just 1 times, right? 2 times 1 is 2, 5 times 1 is 5. So that's kind of a simpler way to kind of think about it. And this is, x is just the value, but I am actually going to be saying it has a weight of 1 times the x and y coordinate, because this is not just on a number line, right? This is on a coordinated plane. So I can basically distribute this 2 to both of these, to the 1 to both of these, and the 5 to both of these, but we'll take it kind of one at a time. And so I can say that the I'm going to look at this as x1, y1, and x2, y2, and x3, y3 as I kind of move up the number line, and it's good to label these things as you do it. So if I look at the first one, right, and I only care about the x's because I want to find the horizontal weight. So I'm going to say I have 2 times negative 6 plus 1 times negative 2 plus 5 times 6. That would all be divided by, right? That would all be divided by the sum of the weights, which is 5 plus 1 plus 2, or 8. Now, this is my x weight. We'll look at it like that, right? We'll bracket it. This is what my x weight equals, so I would end up with negative 12 minus 2 plus 30 divided by 8, right? Or negative 14 plus 30 divided by 8, which is 16 over 8, or 2. So that is the location of my x weight, right? And so my x weight has a location of 2, comma, well, I'm going to do the same thing for my y weight, right? So my y weight is going to be y1 times 2. So I would have 2 times y, well, I'm not going to put the letter, I'm going to do that after just so we see, but 2 times negative 6 plus 1 times negative 3, right? 1 times negative 3 plus 5 times 3. And then all over the same number of weights, which is 2 plus 1 plus 5, which is 8. And now we can simplify that to negative 12 minus 3 plus 15. And when I add all of those together, I get, well, all over 8. I get 0 over 8. So my y location is 0. So at 2, 0, I would have my weighted average. Now, what does that mean? So how does that look similar? This is my y weight, okay, right here. So I have my x, my y. So if I organize them as ordered pairs, just so you see, it's just taking my weight for the 1 times my x1 plus my weight for the second times my x2 plus my weight for the third times my x3 divided by weight 1 plus weight 2 plus weight 3. And that is the value of 2, right? So all of this gets me to 2, but this is the idea. And I would do the same thing for y. I would have weight 1 times y1 plus weight 2 times y2 plus weight 3 times y3 all over the sum of weight 1 plus weight 2 plus weight 3. And that is how you find the location in a coordinated plane, which is really similar to the number line. It's just doing it twice for the x's and the y's.